Hello everyone, thanks for watching me. I'm here to address a short presentation about the Mineral Technology Center, CT Mineral in Portuguese, and about the projects and our challenges and the partnership opportunities. So I will give a little introduction about what it is, the Mineral Technology Center. Shortly, it's a public laboratory focused on research and development and in analytical services for small and medium producers in the mining sector, obviously. And what is the higher demand for the center is the demand for analytical services and analytical solutions for mineral characterization and ore studies in geochemistry and etc. and ore grade mainly. The main methods that are required, that are demanded by the companies, are XRF, ICP, atomic absorption, FRSA, etc. As I said, these are methods for description, mineral description, ore characterization, etc. It's important to say that the center is open for partnerships and cooperation with companies, governments, and other institutions like universities, etc. Next, uh, mainly our commercial services. In just 7 months, we attended more than 35 companies, medium and small companies, local companies, and we analyzed more than 5,000 samples by handheld XRF. It's a chemical analysis method. And our main service, as I said, is sample preparation. It is very important to prepare your sample properly. Likewise, drying, pulverizing, and splitting, and doing a correct and proper chemical analysis by XRF fluorescence X spectrometry. So our commercial services, just three photographs about our services, about our mainly services. In the left corner, we have splitting processes to generate subsamples, to generate subsamples in a representative way. And in the right corner, you have the right side, you have a pulverizing method, a pulverizing process to prepare the sample to chemical analysis here in XRF handheld. Our team, our philosophy is to be based on the best practices from the analytical markets and big labs. So it's a constant learning process, all day learning process. Every day we are learning from the big boys. So our big commercial project, it's a geochemistry soil project for Mineração Caraíba, Aero Copper, in the Bahia state. It's a project for collecting samples, more than 20,000 samples, soil samples, to further analytical data and data treatment. They are involved with more than 35 technicians working on this project. So our research and development projects are now ongoing projects are two: Tantalite project and Chilite project. I'll talk more about them there later. So we are two projects on the paper on planning phases. It is the tungsten trioxide production from Chilite by solvent extraction. It's a new technology for tungsten production. And the lithium project, there is big important to our region. So the Tantalite project is niobium and tantalum oxide production by our Dr. Cleo Nilson Mafra. It's a researcher a chemist with experience in tantalum and niobium synthesis. It's a new technology also, and the Scheelite project is to apply new technologies on scheelite tailings concentration. As you can see here in the right, there are in Currais Novos in Brazilian Northeast, there are big stockpiles, big tailings piles of waste, and in this waste there are lots of interesting materials. What is the lithium project? Is concentrate spodumene lithium ore concentrate production from pegmatite tailings. They are big tailings with low costs, and we want to produce lithium from these tailings. So there are some photographs of our machinery and our team working. This is a flotation plant. Flotation is a mining process for concentration, very efficient and very important. We have the equipment, cutting edge equipment for doing analysis and doing processes. And here we have our lab for mineral concentration. If you have a ore and a tailing and a rock, if you want to test the concentration process, you can count on us. Just spodumene or a lithium ore metallurgy, processing flow sheets, crushed ore, high grade spodumene production. Spodumene is a very important lithium ore and lithium project and commodity for the future. Just a short presentation about our staff. We have a team of geologists, mining engineers, chemists and technicians. Likewise, the executive director, Professor João Batista, is a mining engineer. And we have the Professor Alexandre Rocha, a geologist for big projects in Brazil, for hard rocks and copper, etc. Professor Marcos Maia is a mineralogist and mechanical engineer with large experience in Brazil, and Professor Dr. Cleonilson Mafra, as I said, is a chemist, a researcher with American experience in American universities. So we have our needs, our necessities. There are huge difficulties on financing for projects and analytical infrastructure in Brazil. And we are looking forward to match some investors and partners. Our main demand services are XRF for major oxides and ICP for ultra traces. With an ICP equipment, you can start big projects on copper, gold, silver, and other precious metals. And as I said in the beginning, Sistema Mineral is open to cooperation and to receive support and joint ventures from potential partners, company, and investors. So thank you very much. If you have any question, you can address for CT Mineral, funcern.br. The email here. So thank you very much for watching.